Hi, I'm Cole Drusa. I'm the Operations Engineering Manager with Cambridge Engineering. Cambridge Engineering has been building products for the HVAC industry for over 55 years. We have 140 people working at Cambridge, building high-quality products every day. We're an employee-focused company where we practice 2-second lean for continuous improvement. And we recently purchased intellectual property for cooling products, to manufacture cooling products. So we're a growing organization, and the specific position will be for our operations engineer in the operations engineering department. And what I'm looking for is someone who can be the technical resource for the people out on the floor, so we can build our products with the highest safety, the highest quality, and as streamlined as possible. So I'm looking for someone who's going to be able to own product as well as process. Looking for an engineer with at least 5 years of experience improving processes, troubleshooting, and who can also provide lean processes. To apply, just visit our website, and if you think you're a great fit, I'd love to have you here at Cambridge. Thank you.